Hello everybody. We're here at our Riga Royal Hotel Kyoto. We're about to get to our room, so if you let us introduce. Hi, I'm Apollo, and this is my dad's channel. So hi.
And I'm Zeffy.
So here we go. Ding dong. Right.
And now, this is our room.
We are currently on the 9th floor. So when we enter here, there's a little bit of space around a few meters. There's a mirror over here. Though if you are worried about having another mirror, there's one inside the bathroom. The bathroom has at least one bathtub, and the toilet has all these multi-purpose buttons for anything you want. There's hangers over here. Oh wait.
Yeah, you can see it in the mirror.
Oh yeah. So then over here this is where you can put your
It's provided, right?
yeah, provided. Your restroom utensils and utilities. So when we go here near the entrance,
Here, we
Zeffy?
have our water and a little nice shelf here. And over here, we have a fridge where you can keep things cool because it's a fridge.
so then the moment we the moment we
Yeah, here.
get to this area, there is a slide closet. So if you have need for the closet, you can go here and
Wow, it's messy.
yeah.
Kakaya. Close it again.
So and then you can just use this area if needed, and you can use this area if needed.
And here we have our bed. We have two beds just in case you have a big family.
Over here, this is our spot for one of our parents. As you can see, you can use this area to eat, or you can use this area to have a workspace. If you're not comfortable with that area,
You
then
can go to this area.
you can go to this area. It's comfortable for a big family because you can have both your mom and dad using this table, or one of your parents have at this table.